Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Aisha Narikxa. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. So for today, I'm going to show you guys on how I achieved this look. It's a bomb, I know. So I achieved this look plus the outfit of the day, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back once again. So before we proceed, I just want to lay those edges, and I'm going to be using the Kaale and my go-to toothbrush. So that's what I'm going to use. So we're just going to let them really quick and proceed. So I'm going to grab this spoolie and just brush those eyebrows. So today we're just going to do like a quick tutorial. I'm grabbing my Davis pencil. I'm using this LA Girl in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm using this angled brush to just go in and clean those brows. It's been a while since I cleaned my eyebrows with something this bright, but anyway. So I'm just going to apply the same shade. It will act as my eyeshadow primer. My damn beauty blender, and just tap it in. Going in with this Glam Beauty shade, and I want to use this shimmer shade. Yeah, this one, and something maybe like this, something dark. I decided to go like with this shade. Now let me go with the darker one, the other one. I'll grab this angled brush and my Maybelline Lasting Stick spray and just spray on it like that. Now we apply that shimmer shade. So I'm going to apply a concealer, just going this way. It will act as my liner. I'd already done my skincare. I applied the Garnier moisturizer. That's the only thing I'm going to be applying. So let me just do my face. I'm going to be using these two shades, the LA Color True Matte in the shade Mahogany, and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Mocha. So I'm going to mix the two shades to get what I want. So I have to swatch here to see. It's doing something. I'm going to grab my foundation brush and just tap. It's been a while since I used a foundation brush. I'll grab the same concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to use this damn beauty blender once again and just tapping it as I go. But yeah, this has been the first makeup tutorial this year, and I'm glad I'm doing it. For my setting powder, I'm using the Sasha setting powder. I'm so in love with this setting powder more than the other one, more than the other banana one, W7 banana setting powder. Today I don't want to like over bake. I'm going to grab this my mini Kaale XOXO palette, and I think I'll be going in with this shade as my blush. And I'll get my Ezekiel palette and go in with the darker shade and just contour like my forehead. Now let me go in with the same eyeshadows on my waterline. So after that, I'm going to grab my other brush and apply this like all over my face to put everything in. I'll grab my Maybelline fixing spray and just put everything in place. I was thinking of doing a red lippy and I want to use these two shades. I've already applied Vaseline on my lips before applying the lipstick. So let me apply my lashes off camera. I'll be right back. So this is my fit of the day. I'm wearing this jungle green shirt dress, like a short, and this is my handbag of the day, plus this ankle boots. So yeah, let's go before we be late. So yeah guys, this is the final look, and you've come this far and you haven't subscribed, can you subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case I get to upload a new video you get notified. So see you